ServiceNow Item Online Training. Introduction to ServiceNow Item. In a nutshell, ServiceNow Item stands for IT Operations Management. It's a cloud-based solution that helps organizations manage their entire IT infrastructure from a single platform. Here are some key points about ServiceNow Item. Visibility. Item provides a 360-degree view of your IT environment, including hardware, software, network devices, and cloud resources. This holistic view allows you to identify and troubleshoot problems faster. Automation. Item automates many manual tasks associated with IT operations, such as incident management, change management, and event management. This frees up IT staff to focus on more strategic initiatives. Proactive problem solving. By using machine learning and AI, Item can identify potential problems before they occur. This allows you to take preventative measures to avoid disruptions to your business. Improved service delivery. Item helps organizations deliver IT services more efficiently and reliably. This can lead to increased user satisfaction and productivity. What is ServiceNow Item? IT Operations Management Item includes services, processes, and best practices for IT operations availability, efficiency, and performance. Through Item, organizations reduce infrastructure spending, improve existing resource utilization, and reduce risks due to human error. What is the difference between ITSM and Item in ServiceNow? What is ITSM? While Item monitors performance and the methods IT utilizes to manage its internal activities, ITSM refers to how organizations deliver IT services to users to meet firm-wide IT requirements, including its design. Is Item a subset of ITSM? Item versus ITSM key differences. Item is a subset of IT Service Management, or ITSM. Think of ITSM as the entire suite of activities that an organization performs to manage IT services. Item is a useful container for day-to-day activities focused on maintaining infrastructure, devices, components, and applications. Benefits of ServiceNow Item. ServiceNow Item, IT Operations Management, offers a range of advantages for organizations looking to streamline IT operations and improve service delivery. Here are some key benefits. Increased efficiency. ServiceNow Item automates routine tasks, eliminates manual processes, and provides real-time insights into system performance. This allows IT teams to work faster and focus on more strategic initiatives. Improved visibility. Item offers a comprehensive view of your IT infrastructure, including devices, applications, and services. This enhanced visibility helps identify and resolve issues quickly, minimizing downtime and disruptions. Proactive problem solving. ServiceNow Item leverages machine learning to anticipate potential problems before they occur. This proactive approach allows IT teams to take preventive measures and ensure smooth operation. Reduced costs. By automating tasks, improving efficiency, and preventing disruptions, ServiceNow Item helps organizations save money on IT operations. Enhanced collaboration. Item fosters collaboration between IT teams and other departments by providing a shared platform for managing incidents, changes, and problems. Better risk management. ServiceNow item helps identify and mitigate security risks by monitoring device configurations and ensuring compliance with regulations. Features of ServiceNow item. ServiceNow IT Operations Management item is a software suite that helps organizations automate and manage their IT infrastructure. It offers a variety of features that can help IT teams improve efficiency, reduce costs, and improve service availability. Here are some of the key features of ServiceNow item. Visibility. Discovery. ServiceNow Discovery provides automated discovery of all IT assets across on-premises, cloud, and hybrid environments, including devices, applications, and services. This helps IT teams to gain a complete picture of their IT infrastructure and identify potential problems. Service mapping. Service mapping helps IT teams to visualize the relationships between IT components. This can help IT teams to understand how incidents in one part of the infrastructure can impact other parts. Health. Event management. Event management provides a central location for IT teams to collect, filter, and prioritize events from all of their IT monitoring tools. This can help IT teams to focus on the most critical issues and resolve them quickly. Common challenges in IT operations management. IT operations management involves overseeing the day-to-day activities and processes related to an organization's IT infrastructure and services. Several common challenges are encountered in this field. Complexity. IT environments are becoming increasingly complex with the integration of various technologies, platforms, and applications. Managing this complexity, ensuring interoperability, and maintaining stability can be challenging. Security. Security threats are constantly evolving, and IT operations teams must continuously monitor, assess, and mitigate risks to protect sensitive data and ensure compliance with regulations. Scalability. As businesses grow or experience fluctuations in demand, IT infrastructure needs to scale accordingly. Ensuring that systems can handle increased loads without compromising performance or stability is a significant challenge. Resource management. Effectively managing IT resources, including hardware, software, and human resources, requires careful planning, allocation, and optimization to meet business objectives while controlling costs. Proactive monitoring and incident response, timely detection and resolution of issues are critical to maintaining the reliability and availability of IT services. Implementing robust monitoring tools and establishing efficient incident response procedures can help minimize downtime and service disruptions. Legacy systems integration. Many organizations still rely on legacy systems that may be outdated or incompatible with modern technologies. Integrating these systems with newer platforms and applications while ensuring seamless operation can be a daunting task. Compliance and governance. Adhering to industry regulations and internal policies is essential for protecting sensitive data, ensuring business continuity, and avoiding legal repercussions. IT operations teams must stay abreast of changing compliance requirements and implement appropriate controls and processes. How ServiceNow item enhances incident management. ServiceNow IT Operations Management item is a suite of tools designed to streamline and automate various aspects of IT operations. When integrated with incident management processes, ServiceNow Item can significantly enhance incident management in several ways. Discovery and dependency mapping. Item can automatically discover the configuration items, CIs, in your IT environment and map their dependencies. This information is crucial during incident management as it helps in quickly identifying the root cause of incidents and understanding their impact on other services. Event management. Item enables event correlation and filtering, allowing the platform to intelligently prioritize and group related events. By doing so, it reduces alert noise and prevents alert fatigue among IT teams, ensuring that they can focus on resolving critical incidents promptly. Automated incident detection and remediation. Through integrations with monitoring tools and AI/ML capabilities, Item can automatically detect anomalies and potential incidents in real time. It can even initiate automated remediation actions, such as restarting services or reallocating resources to resolve incidents before they impact end users. Change impact analysis. ServiceNow Item provides change impact analysis capabilities, which allow IT teams to assess the potential impact of planned changes on existing services and infrastructure. This helps in identifying and mitigating risks associated with changes, reducing the likelihood of incidents occurring due to misconfigurations or compatibility issues. CMDB enrichment. The Configuration Management Database, CMDB, is a core component of ServiceNow Item. By enriching the CMDB with accurate and up-to-date information about CIs and their relationships, Item ensures that incident management processes have access to reliable data for troubleshooting and decision-making. Streamlining change management with ServiceNow Item. ServiceNow's IT Operations Management, Item, suite offers powerful tools for streamlining change management processes within an organization. Here's how ServiceNow Item can help. Centralized change management. ServiceNow Item provides a centralized platform for managing all IT changes, whether they're related to infrastructure, applications, or services. This centralization ensures that all changes are tracked, documented, and approved through a standardized process. Automated workflows. Item allows organizations to automate change management workflows, reducing manual intervention and the risk of human error. Automated workflows can include change request submission, approval routing, implementation, and post-implementation review. Change impact analysis. Before implementing changes, ServiceNow Item can conduct impact analysis to assess the potential consequences of proposed changes. This analysis helps organizations understand the risks associated with changes and make informed decisions about whether to proceed. Risk assessment. ServiceNow Item enables organizations to assess the risk associated with proposed changes based on factors such as their impact on infrastructure, services, and business operations. This helps prioritize changes and allocate resources accordingly. Integration with configuration management. ServiceNow Item integrates seamlessly with ServiceNow's Configuration Management Database, CMDB, providing visibility into the relationships between IT assets, configuration items, and changes. This integration ensures that changes are implemented in a way that minimizes disruption and maintains system integrity. Automating service mapping with ServiceNow Item. ServiceNow Item IT Operations Management is a suite of tools designed to help organizations manage their IT infrastructure more efficiently. Automating service mapping with ServiceNow Item can greatly streamline IT operations and improve overall service delivery. Here's how you can automate service mapping using ServiceNow Item. Discovery. ServiceNow Discovery is a key component of Item that automatically discovers and maps the configuration items, CIs, within your IT infrastructure. It scans your network, identifies devices, applications, and services, and creates a comprehensive map of your IT environment. This mapping includes dependencies between CIs, helping you understand how different components interact with each other to deliver services. Service mapping. Once the CIs are discovered, service mapping within ServiceNow Item automatically maps the relationships between these CIs to represent the underlying business services. It identifies the dependencies between various infrastructure components, such as servers, databases, network devices, and applications, and maps them to specific business services or applications. Pattern-based mapping. ServiceNow Item uses pattern-based mapping to recognize common configurations and dependencies within your IT environment. These patterns are predefined templates that specify how certain types of CIs are typically configured and how they relate to each other. By leveraging these patterns, service mapping can rapidly map out complex services without the need for manual configuration. Capacity management made easy with ServiceNow Item. ServiceNow Item IT Operations Management indeed offers robust capabilities for capacity management, streamlining the process and ensuring optimal resource utilization within an organization's IT infrastructure. Here's how it simplifies capacity management. Unified Platform. ServiceNow provides a unified platform for IT operations, including capacity management. This means all relevant data and processes are integrated into a single interface, eliminating the need for disparate tools and manual coordination. Automated Discovery. ServiceNow Item automates the discovery of IT assets and their relationships, providing a comprehensive view of the infrastructure. This automated discovery ensures accuracy and reduces the manual effort required for data collection. Continuous Monitoring. It offers continuous monitoring of IT resources, collecting real-time performance data. This allows IT teams to proactively identify capacity issues before they impact service delivery. Predictive Analytics. ServiceNow Item leverages predictive analytics to forecast future capacity requirements based on historical data and trends. This helps organizations plan for future growth and allocate resources efficiently. Resource Optimization. By analyzing usage patterns and demand fluctuations, ServiceNow Item helps optimize resource allocation. It ensures that resources are allocated where they are most needed, improving overall efficiency and reducing costs. Integration with CMDB. ServiceNow Item integrates with the Configuration Management Database, CMDB, providing a centralized repository of configuration data. This integration enables better visibility into the relationships between IT components and their impact on capacity management. Self-service capabilities. ServiceNow Item offers self-service capabilities, allowing users to request additional resources or scale up down capacity as needed through a user-friendly interface. This empowers business units to manage their own capacity requirements while maintaining control and compliance. Ensuring service availability with ServiceNow Item. ServiceNow Item, IT Operations Management, is a suite of applications within the ServiceNow platform designed to streamline and automate IT operations. One key aspect of Item is ensuring service availability, which is crucial for maintaining business continuity and meeting service level agreements, SLAs. Here are some ways ServiceNow Item helps ensure service availability. Discovery and Dependency Mapping. ServiceNow Discovery automatically identifies all the IT components in your environment, including servers, network devices, applications, and their dependencies. This visibility enables IT teams to understand the relationships between different components and how they contribute to service delivery. Service Mapping. ServiceNow Service Mapping takes the discovery data further by mapping out the relationships between IT components and the business services they support. This mapping helps IT teams prioritize and troubleshoot issues based on their impact on critical business services rather than individual components. Event Management. ServiceNow Event Management consolidates and correlates events from various monitoring tools and sources into actionable incidents. It uses event rules and policies to prioritize, categorize, and route events to the appropriate teams for resolution, helping to minimize downtime and service disruptions. Incident Management. ServiceNow Incident Management provides a centralized system for logging, tracking, and resolving incidents. IT teams can quickly create and assign incidents, escalate as necessary, and collaborate to resolve issues efficiently. Integration with other item modules ensures that incident management is aligned with service visibility and impact. Integrating ServiceNow Item with existing IT infrastructure. Integrating ServiceNow Item, IT Operations Management, with existing IT infrastructure can streamline operations, enhance visibility, and improve efficiency. Here's a general guide to integrating ServiceNow Item with your existing infrastructure. Assessment and Planning. Understand your existing IT infrastructure thoroughly, including networks, servers, applications, and databases. Identify key areas where ServiceNow Item can add value, such as incident management, event management, service mapping, and orchestration. Integration Strategy. Define your integration strategy, including goals, timelines, and resources. Determine which ServiceNow Item modules you'll implement and how they'll interact with your existing infrastructure. Consider factors like security, scalability, and compliance requirements during the planning phase. Data Integration. Set up integrations to collect data from your existing infrastructure into ServiceNow Item. Use ServiceNow Discovery to automatically discover and map your infrastructure, including physical, virtual, and cloud resources. Configure connectors and APIs to pull data from monitoring tools, CMDBs, ticketing systems, and other sources. Event Management. Configure event management rules to correlate events from various sources and identify actionable incidents. Integrate with monitoring tools to ingest alerts and events into ServiceNow Item. Automate event remediation workflows using ServiceNow orchestration. Service mapping. Use ServiceNow service mapping to create a comprehensive map of your IT services and their dependencies. Discover application dependencies, network topology, and infrastructure components automatically. Maintain service maps continuously to reflect changes in your infrastructure. Real-world use cases and success stories of ServiceNow item. ServiceNow IT Operations Management item offers a suite of tools designed to enhance visibility, control, and automation across IT infrastructure and operations. Here are some real-world use cases and success stories. Automated incident response. ServiceNow item enables organizations to automate incident response processes. For instance, when a server goes down, item can automatically trigger incident creation, assign it to the appropriate team, and even initiate remediation actions based on predefined workflows. This reduces mean time to resolution, MTTR, significantly. Configuration Management Database, CMDB, optimization. Many organizations struggle with maintaining an accurate and up-to-date CMDB. ServiceNow item helps in automatically discovering and mapping IT assets and their relationships in real time. This ensures a reliable CMDB, which is crucial for efficient change management, impact analysis, and risk assessment. Capacity planning and optimization. ServiceNow item provides insights into resource utilization, performance trends, and capacity forecasts across the IT infrastructure. This helps organizations optimize resource allocation, plan for future growth, and prevent potential bottlenecks or outages. Cloud management. With the increasing adoption of cloud services, managing and optimizing cloud resources becomes crucial. ServiceNow item offers capabilities for cloud resource discovery, cost management, and governance, allowing organizations to efficiently manage their cloud infrastructure while controlling costs. Event management and root cause analysis. ServiceNow item aggregates and correlates events from various monitoring tools and IT infrastructure components. By applying machine learning and analytics, it identifies patterns, predicts potential issues, and facilitates root cause analysis, enabling proactive problem resolution and minimizing service disruptions. Is learning ServiceNow item useful? Yes, learning ServiceNow item, IT operations management, can be highly useful, especially if you're working in IT or aspiring to do so. ServiceNow is a leading platform for IT service management, ITSM, and item is a critical component of it. Here's why learning ServiceNow item can be beneficial. Industry relevance. ServiceNow is widely used across various industries for managing IT services, making it a valuable skill in today's job market. Efficiency and automation. Item helps organizations streamline their IT operations by automating tasks, managing infrastructure, and optimizing resources. Learning it can make you adept at improving operational efficiency. Integrated platform. ServiceNow provides an integrated platform for ITSM, item, IT asset management, ITM, and other IT functions. Understanding item within this broader context can give you a holistic view of IT operations. Career opportunities. Knowledge of ServiceNow item can open up various career opportunities, including roles such as IT Operations Manager, IT Service Delivery Manager, ServiceNow Developer, and more. Scalability and flexibility. ServiceNow Item offers scalability and flexibility to adapt to the changing needs of organizations, making it a valuable skill for professionals who seek to stay relevant in dynamic IT environments. Advantages of ServiceNow Item Online Training. ServiceNow Item, IT Operations Management, online training offers several advantages. Flexibility. Online training allows participants to access the course material at their own pace and from anywhere with an internet connection. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for working professionals who may have busy schedules or prefer learning at their own convenience. Cost-effective. Online training often proves to be more cost-effective than traditional in-person training. There are usually no expenses associated with travel, accommodation, or classroom facilities. Additionally, online courses may offer lower registration fees compared to their offline counterparts. Accessibility to experts. Many online training programs are taught by industry experts who bring real-world experience to the table. Participants have the opportunity to learn from seasoned professionals without geographical limitations. Hands-on learning. ServiceNow Item online training often includes practical exercises and simulations that allow participants to apply theoretical knowledge in a simulated environment. This hands-on approach enhances understanding and retention of the material. Updated content. ServiceNow Item online training programs are regularly updated to reflect the latest developments in the field. Participants can be assured that they are learning the most up-to-date information and best practices. Community interaction. Online training platforms often facilitate communication and collaboration among participants through discussion forums, chat rooms, or social media groups. This allows learners to share insights, ask questions, and network with peers, creating a supportive learning community. Career opportunities in ServiceNow Item. ServiceNow Item, Information Technology Operations Management, offers a range of career opportunities for individuals with expertise in IT operations, service management, and related fields. Here are some potential career paths within ServiceNow Item. ServiceNow Administrator. Administrators manage and configure the ServiceNow platform, including item modules, to meet the organization's needs. They handle system configurations, workflows, and user access. ServiceNow Developer. Developers customize and extend the functionality of the ServiceNow platform using scripting languages such as JavaScript and ServiceNow's proprietary scripting language. They create custom applications, integrations, and automation solutions tailored to specific item requirements. Item Implementation Consultant. Implementation consultants work with clients to understand their IT operations challenges and design solutions using ServiceNow Item modules. They oversee the implementation process, configure the platform, and provide training and support to end users. IT Operations Analyst. IT operations analysts use ServiceNow Item tools to monitor, analyze, and optimize IT infrastructure and services. They collect and analyze data from various sources to identify performance issues, trends, and areas for improvement. Why choose Pro Excellency for ServiceNow Item online training? When selecting a training provider for ServiceNow item, IT operations management, online training, it's essential to consider several factors. ProExcellency might be a suitable choice for several reasons. Expertise. ProExcellency likely boasts experienced trainers who possess in-depth knowledge of ServiceNow item. They can offer insights, tips, and best practices garnered from real-world experience. Comprehensive curriculum. The training program likely covers a wide range of topics within ServiceNow item, ensuring that participants gain a holistic understanding of the platform and its functionalities. Interactive learning environment. ProExcellency may offer an engaging online learning environment, utilizing various tools and techniques to facilitate active participation and comprehension among learners. Flexibility. Online training with ProExcellency may provide flexibility in terms of scheduling, allowing participants to learn at their own pace and convenience, which is particularly beneficial for busy professionals. Support and resources. ProExcellency might offer additional support and resources to aid in the learning process, such as access to recorded sessions, study materials, and forums for discussion and clarification of doubts. Certification preparation. If certification is a goal, ProExcellency's training program might include preparation materials and guidance to help participants successfully pass ServiceNow item certification exams. Thank you.